done. Stove, we need the parts for. The boom. The Mizzen boom needs to be fixed.
Yes, I will bring the boom back off the boat. This is the two boom and what do you call this one? So long ago.
Spinnaker pulls.
Yeah, two spinnaker.
This is the one.
Oh. Problem.
Yeah, it just needs to be replaced.
It's a good day today. I will take you show you outside. It's sunny today. This is the sunny in Bolivia. Our boat is at the end of jetty. We are at the moment in Bolivia Yacht Club in town. And we painted yesterday, but now see what the captain is doing. He's removing the stuff.
Yeah, the old paint is actually coming off from the epoxy, and the new paint is too strong, so it's actually lifting the old paint.
Check here where the popping up, so we have to remove it and then repaint it.
Yeah.
This stuff we did assembled yesterday. Just to check here, this is the one we found for the local use Loctite. Can use it for this, but it needs to take 72 hours to dry, so there's nothing we can do now. We have to wait. This is other stuff we're still waiting for. It's the same, we still need to take some days in order to get that things ready. This one we bought from Cape Town. We bought two Jobsco, these toilet sponges, and we try to change it because previously was broken, so it caused the water leak. But now we fix other toilet, where no, it's keep on leaking. And I think the reason is one of the screws is chipped, so it's bottom. We need to seek out now because this does not work with the screws. But no guarantee, these screws still losing. We will see tomorrow if it's a leak. I still need to tight two more of those screws properly. I switch off at the moment the controller is here. And then tomorrow hopefully we can put the oven and stove back. There's Victor helping us to fix this deck here. You got your stuff?
Got a hole saw.
Okay, this is for the compass. And also we have this one too. This is the stainless steel for the oven fittings. Now we can put the oven back. This is the shop we can buy stainless steel stuff. I'm not sure what is this. We're gonna try one and taste at home. There is the price. It's the good thing is we can take it when we go sailing as our provision. It's already packed. Perfect. We found a Colombia restaurant. Now I ordered pisco sour, and that is Mizzen beer from Bolivia. Cheers, Dada.